Do this before using your new laptop computer. Just bought a new laptop? Don't rush into browsing or installing random apps yet. Here are must-do steps to protect your device, optimize performance, and get the best experience from day one. White heavy checkmark 1. Unbox carefully and inspect. Take your time to unbox it gently. Check for any physical damages. All accessories, charger, manual, warranty card. White heavy checkmark 2. Charge fully before first use. Plug it in and allow it to charge to 100% before your first long use. This helps calibrate the battery properly. White heavy checkmark 3. Connect to secure Wi-Fi. Use a safe, password-protected network to avoid early threats or exposure during initial software updates. White heavy checkmark 4. Install essential updates. Your laptop might be outdated straight from the box. Run Windows/Mac updates. Update drivers and firmware. Restart after major updates. White heavy checkmark 5. Install antivirus/anti-malware. Don't surf the internet without protection. Install a trusted antivirus or enable Windows Defender. White heavy checkmark 6. Remove bloatware. Go to your installed apps and uninstall unnecessary manufacturer-installed programs that slow your system down. White heavy checkmark 7. Set up a backup system. Use an external hard drive, cloud storage, like OneDrive, Google Drive, or create a recovery drive to safeguard your files from day one. White heavy checkmark 8. Create a user account and set password. Set up a secure user profile. Enable password, PIN, or facial recognition for safety. White heavy checkmark 9. Install essential software. Depending on your needs. Microsoft Office/Google Workspace. Chrome, Firefox, Brave browser. Adobe Reader/VLC/Zoom. Programming tools or design software if applicable. White heavy checkmark 10. Adjust settings for comfort and performance. Increase display resolution. Adjust keyboard backlight, touchpad sensitivity. Enable night light mode for eye care. Customize power settings for better battery life. Locked bonus tip: register your device. Go to the manufacturer's website and register your product. This activates your warranty and helps with support. Direct hit Start Smart. Stay safe. Maximize performance. Your laptop is an investment, treat it like one from day one.